Hey, I'm Dark North, hope you all are doing well. In this video, we'll be talking about Dendro reactions. All Dendro reactions scale with character level and elemental mastery of the trigger. Dendro plus Hydro makes a seed. The seed, after a while, explodes, or if there are more than 5 in the field, it also explodes and deals Dendro damage. If you take the seed and apply Pyro to it, it causes Burgeon, which makes the seed go boom and does AoE pyro damage. If you take the seed and apply Electro to it, it makes Hyperbloom, which basically turns the seed into a homing missile. Both Hyperbloom and Burgeon do more damage than normal Bloom Seed explosion. Next is Dendro plus Pyro directly, which causes burning, which is pretty self-explanatory. It does take pyro damage. Next is Dendro plus Electro directly, which causes Quicken, which doesn't do anything by itself, but it acts as a Dendro aura or a status effect on which you can trigger more reactions. These reactions being Aggravate, which is Quicken plus Electro, which increases the damage of the Electro attack that triggered it by adding a fixed amount of damage to it. And Spread, which is Quicken plus Dendro, which is basically Aggravate but for Dendro. It increases the damage of the Dendro attack that triggered it by adding a fixed amount of damage to it. This fixed amount of damage that gets added to your attack scales with character level and elemental mastery of the trigger. Now the cool thing about Aggravate and Spread is that they do not remove Quicken from the enemy when you trigger these reactions, which means in the duration of one Quicken debuff on the enemy, you can trigger as many Aggravates and Spreads as you want. The only thing this is limited by is the internal cooldown of Electro application, as you need to apply Electro to the enemy to trigger Aggravate. And because Aggravate and Spread add damage to your existing attack, it's better to run a balance of elemental mastery, crit, attack, etc. rather than going fully EM, as you want the initial attack to also do damage. Unless the multipliers of the Electro or Dendro character are absolute garbage, in which case you can go fully EM. Anyways, that was all Dendro reactions. Hope you find it helpful and do leave a like if you did. If you have any questions or corrections, leave them down below in the comments. And sub to the channel for more content like this. I am Dark North, thanks for watching, have a good one.